I've teamed up with Ed Stubbs to reimagine academic performance through the lens of automotive design. Our recent survey revealed a significant gap between the priorities academic leaders assign to the top 25 high-performance objectives and the progress they're actually reporting. This gap isn't just a challenge, it's an invitation to transform. Ed and I are translating these insights into a powerful visual. A concept car design, Futura, representing the optimised future state of academic performance. Ed, today we're going to work on visualising the future optimised state of universities as reported by a survey we did of academic leaders around the world. They identified 5 high-performance objectives that could really transform their institutions. 3, interestingly enough, were the areas that were identified as priority now, but areas where they thought their progress was less measured than they hoped. They were sustainability, digital transformation, and global research and education networks.
And why do you think those 3 have the most transformative potential?
So I think if you look around the globe today, the need for sustainability in everything everybody does, universities are no different. If you think about global networks, both research and education are global businesses, and you need that interchange of talent from around the world to really develop educational and research potential. And then if you think of digitization, there isn't any part of life that is not touched now by digital transformation.
So Leslie, in terms of the top 3 priority areas, I'm starting to think around aerodynamic efficiency, making this vehicle as optimized as possible for cutting through the air. I'm starting to look at perhaps sustainable powertrains, and that could be a hydrogen hybrid system, utilizing a natural resource to create its own electricity. And I'm thinking around smart technologies for data sharing between vehicles to optimize the safety and performance of Futura.
Ed, that sounds amazingly creative. Can we build on that and think about the other 2 high-performance objectives that have the potential to be most transformative? The first was graduate outcomes, and the second one was academic excellence, both in creation of knowledge and outputs of knowledge. So can we add into your thinking the ability to design in those components of the car you're going to design for us?
Those sound quite challenging topics to introduce into the vehicle design, but I think I can give it a go.
Can I just bring in one other thing that stands out across all of these 5 high-performance objectives, and that's the power of data, the need to understand your performance and to measure your improvement in your performance.
Okay, well, I'll make sure that I try and incorporate the power of data as a core principle in the design of Futura.
If you could do that, Ed, we'd be well on the way to having a car that really reflects some of the concerns and the opportunities of academic leaders around the world. So get drawing.
My vision for the design of Futura was built around 3 key principles: digital enhancement, network connectivity, and sustainability. All of those 3 principles enable this vehicle to be the most high performance of its type. Sustainability was a key driver in the design of Futura. The aerodynamics are very important for low wind resistance and energy efficiency, and allied with the shape of the vehicle, there are many active aerodynamic elements that support the performance of the vehicle in different driving conditions. Allied to this is a hydrogen powertrain utilizing fuel cells and a small electric motor to deliver high performance and 0 emissions. The way I incorporated digital transformation was to use AI technology. So AI in the future can optimize the use of driving aids, such as advanced traction control, systems that allow power to be sent to different wheels to ensure optimum grip. All of those can be monitored and refined by the use of AI. So when I looked at the area of global networking, my idea was to focus on the connectivity around the vehicle, sharing data about weather conditions between 2 different vehicles, and also if there were any obstacles on the road or particularly difficult road conditions, that data could be shared to enhance the driving experience for connected vehicles. Leslie set me the challenge of interpreting the 2 remaining HPOs with the most transformative potential. For excellent graduate outcomes, I envisaged the transmission of the vehicle, which takes the vehicle from rest to its top speed, and the analogy there was taking a student fresh from school all the way to graduation and professional employment. With that in mind, my choice was the CVT transmission system, which has an efficiency rating of up to 100%. For academic excellence in knowledge creation, Leslie told me the metrics were all around citations and research outputs. The analogy here is with the output of the vehicle measured in horsepower. I estimate that to be between 800 and 1,000 horsepower for Futura. All of these extraordinary features of Futura are made possible by leveraging data and technology. I'm excited to see how academic leaders can leverage data and technology in the areas of sustainability, digital transformation, and global networks. That's how they can transform their institutions into high-performance organizations that can make an impact faster.